This isn't a car made to obey the road. It was sculpted to defy wind, logic, and convention, a true symphony on wheels. You're looking at the Pagani Huayra, a fusion of raw power and delicate craftsmanship. Not just engineered, but composed. This one, draped in silver like a blade forged in the stars. Unveiled in 2011 by Pagani Automobili. Street legal, yes, but it doesn't feel like it. It belongs on a different plane, where design becomes emotion and speed becomes poetry. What lies beneath the flowing bodywork? A handcrafted 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 from AMG, 720 horsepower, 1,000 Nm of torque, a 7-speed sequential gearbox shifting faster than thought. This model is crafted at a 1:18 scale compared to the real car. Actual dimensions: 25 centimeters long, 12 centimeters wide, and 7 centimeters tall. The entire body is coated using a multi-layer electrostatic painting process, resulting in a finish that's thin, glossy, evenly colored, and exceptionally durable over time. The chassis is molded from composite materials combined with high-grade alloy, while the tires are made of real rubber, delivering a true-to-life feel in every detail. This isn't just a model, it's a refined miniature of an icon of speed. The titanium exhaust sings with otherworldly tones, a mechanical area rising from carbon fiber lungs, 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.8 seconds. Top speed? Over 370 km per hour. Brakes? Carbon ceramic. Tires specially developed Pirelli P0s. It doesn't just accelerate, it disappears. The chassis? Carbon titanium monocoque. The body? Active aerodynamics that breathe and respond. Flaps, diffusers, spoilers, all dancing with the wind. Inside, a contrast of chaos and calm. Aluminum switches, carbon panels, leather seats, every piece hand-finished like an instrument. No clutter, no excess, just function made beautiful. It measures nearly 4.6 meters in length, 2 meters wide, and barely over 1 meter tall. It hugs the ground like a whisper, elegant, lethal, unmistakable. The Huayra doesn't roar to prove a point. It whispers danger with every curve. Original price? Around $1.4 million. Today, it's priceless because art doesn't depreciate. Pagani Huayra Silver, sculpted, unapologetic, not just a car, a machine that breathes, sings, and leaves everything else behind. Our model is meticulously crafted based on the real life with incredible attention to every detail. It's more than just a replica, it's a tribute to automotive art and engineering excellence. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.